Mark got everything ready, so if I can't find anything, I ask him. A half cup of mayonnaise. We have everything measured out already, so it's a lot easier for us here. You know, it's like TV, you know?
Yeah.
Put the quiche in the oven, 2 minutes later, bam! You know? Cayenne peppers I have. You can put more or less ingredients that you like. I like a little spicy, so we can put a little more. I also like salt. And white pepper. It's really easy. So all the ingredients are here, I hope. We have the sour cream, the mayonnaise. We forgot the most important ingredient, the horseradish. The cayenne pepper, the kosher salt, and ground pepper. And you put the horseradish. All you have to do is whisk this sauce.
Do you have prepared horseradish?
Yes. Fresh horseradish won't give you that firm enough flavor, and it will tend to go bad faster than prepared. That's it. The sauce is done, and you're not going to believe how good this is with the steak, and that's how easy it is. And this can stay in your refrigerator for at least 10 days. Sour cream and mayonnaise has a pretty long shelf life.